It will help you access the Valentine's Day sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
You want to add a Valentine's Day sound effect to your video clip, make that it is deselected by clicking on the timeline. The step is to go to the bottom left-hand screen and click the second option on the right until you see the option Sound Effects. Here, you want to scroll to the right. You see the option, which is the last Valentine's Day. Click a sound effect, Capcut. If you're happy or satisfied with the Valentine's Day sound effect, click the plus icon on the right-hand screen. See it has been added on the free Capcut mobile timeline. Is the after completely for free?